So what is up, guys? Nick here, helping you to master your technology, and welcome to my Galaxy S22 unboxing and first impressions. I did decide to go with the Phantom Black Edition. You could see it contains S22, USB-C to USB-C ejection pin, a quick start guide, and of course your Samsung terms and conditions. So you're gonna need a razor or a knife or something to open this up because they still have these tabs that are stick down, but it's quite easy. They do come off pretty easily. And let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside the box. Of course, we know it's the Galaxy S22, and I'll give you my first impressions, but right out of the bat, I gotta say, man, this phone looks a little bit more premium than the Galaxy S21. Feels quite nice. Yeah, definitely looking pretty good. So let's have that plastic peel. And did that sound quite nice? Yep, I'm not going to be able to replicate that for sure. That sounded quite nice of a plastic peel. Just always got to get that once in a lifetime. And very clean back. Very nice matte texture. The sides looking really good. Feeling really premium so far. And let's go ahead and peel the front off. See how that sounds. 3, 2. All right, not quite as dramatic as the back, but still quite nice. And you could see there is your Galaxy S22. I'm getting this very more squared kind of feel on the edges, but the edges are curved in the corners, but it just feels a little bit on the sides, a little bit more squared. It feels a little bit wider too, like kind of like the aspect ratio is not as narrow as the S21, which I like because it gives you more space to read and do things on your phone. So definitely quite nice. Let's see what else comes in the box. We have our ejection tool right here to pull out the area for the SIM card. There it goes flying. And then inside of here, we should find ourselves the USB-C. Oh, all right, we're having a little, man, I don't got time for this right here. All right, let's go ahead. There's a USB-C right there. So definitely USB-C to USB-C. No charger in the box, so you're gonna have to take advantage of a promotional deal or, you know, get yourself a charger. So that's pretty much it with the box. I'm gonna go ahead and get into the phone now and show you what it comes with. All right, guys, so here we are in the phone itself, and I gotta say, on first impressions, I thought it was gonna be exactly the same as the Galaxy S21, and while it is quite close overall, it's a little bit shorter, it looks a little bit wider to me, but it's a little bit less rounded, a little bit more squared off than the Galaxy S21. At the bottom, quite similar. On the back, they look almost identical, but the thing is I find that this Galaxy S22, it just feels a little more premium. The back feels a little nicer, the sides feel a little bit more sturdy. Overall, it's